I'm Tembi. I come from a company called Africa Trade Insights. Basically, what we do is that we make and design and upgrade this kind of gadgets that I'm carrying here, which are tablet PCs. Basically, our market is basically everyone that's into technology, which is almost everyone right now. Everyone's on Twitter. If you're on Twitter, you need this besides your phone. If you're a business person, obviously you need to be carrying a gadget like this. We don't only just make this, we also do specialized branding. So for instance, if you have a company and you want to supply a tablet PC to your staff, what we do is that, by the way, the brand that we're promoting, it's our own brand by the name of Nutob, which is Nutob. It's a new brand that's coming up. We actually want to have these things designed here, not just in South Africa. We want to have it manufactured here in Durban. Samsung, it's in Asia. Your Apple, it's in Asia. Your Huawei, it's in Asia. We want to have it made here in Africa for Africa. Okay, so what we do, the specialized branding, is that if you want to supply it to your staff, we don't give you our brand or someone else's brand. We ask you to give us your logo. We design it for you. You have your own tablet that has your brand here at the front when you turn it on, and at the back when you actually when you're carrying it. Like if you can see this one here, it's written Nutob at the back. That's our brand. When you turn it on the welcome screen, you have there Nutob. What we've done is that this one, we did it for DUT. So DUT decided they wanted to supply tablet PCs to their students. So we offered them, can we brand it for you? Can you not carry Samsung? We don't even know who Samsung is, but you know who DUT is. Why don't we give you a DUT product that you're going to be proud of? Here we have entrepreneurs. You're proud of your brand. Your brand is powerful. Why not carry your brand? Why not promote your own brand? We believe that's the best marketing you can carry. You go to present, you can add your PowerPoint presentations here. You have your Adobe, you have your Word, you have your Excel. It's actually what every business person needs, all corporate companies need, and basically every user. If you have a cell phone, you need it. Obviously, it can be used also as a cell phone. So even for higher clients, for higher corporate clients, we believe it's useful and we want to take it even higher. We're looking at starting a manufacturing company here for it. We've actually sent some of our IT guys to actually go to Asia, bring the skills back and have it done here. Because we have some that are done in Africa, but when you compare them to the ones that are done there, they're not as good. So we haven't yet met the quality. So we're sending our guys to go back and get the knowledge and come back. Thank you.